Hi guys, it's Sherry and welcome back to another video. It's been a month since my last upload, so I hope you guys' holidays was great. I hope you had a fun and safe time with your families. Also, thank you for the love and support from my subscribers, my oldies but goodies. Thank you so much for watching my videos and leaving me a comment. I love reading your guys' comments. Again, thank you for the love and support. I greatly appreciate it. And Happy New Year! It is 2021. Yes, it is a new year, and I hope that your new year has started off on the right foot. Each year, I try to bring in the new year with a clean house. But by doing this, I realized that there are some areas in each room that I do not clean on a consistent basis. In this video, I'm giving cleaning tips on cleaning areas in each room that we don't think about cleaning. With cleaning these areas, this helps the overall appearance and neatness of each room, regardless of the room. This helps besides just wiping down the furniture, tables and chairs, and sweeping and mopping the floors. Tip number 1 is to dust each room. For this type of cleaning, I start from the top and work my way down to the bottom. So I am using this duster to clean my ceilings and the vents. As you can see, all of my ceilings have this texture to it. It's not a popcorn ceiling, but it does have some kind of texture to it, and all of the dust that comes from the vents gets trapped on my ceiling, which makes it even harder to clean, and it leaves a black residue on our ceilings. So with dusting this and the vents, it just looks cleaner. Another item in your room that needs a good dusting would be your ceiling fan or your light fixtures. Depending on how often you use the room, the more dust you will have built up on these items. So our chandelier didn't have as much as the ceiling fan in our living room, but it still needed to be clean. Also, the light fixtures in your bathrooms, those need a good cleaning as well. In our bathroom, we have a clear lampshade, and the clear lampshades gets dusty so quickly, but you cannot use a duster to clean those shades. You just need plain soapy water and a good towel to clean the shade. You can't tell, but these shades are very dusty. Another great tip to remove dust out of your room: wash your curtains. All of the vents in my house are close to curtains, and after a while dust does accumulate on your curtains. So with keeping your curtains clean and fresh, not only does the appearance of your room looks cleaner, but also smells good. This area has to probably be the most dreadful area to do, and that's cleaning your blinds. This is very time consuming, but you'll be amazed on how much dust accumulates on your blinds, and you can definitely tell the difference of your blinds when it is clean and when it is dirty. So after taking the time to clean your blinds, now you have to clean your windows. I use this glass cleaner to clean every mirror in my house. I love it. It's easy to use. It doesn't leave any streaks on my mirrors. And with cleaning your windows, of course, windows bring in light. So the more natural light that you have in your room, the bigger the room is. And depending on how much dust you have on your window, you're not getting as much light as you would like or hope to get. So with cleaning your windows, it helps your room looks cleaner, neater, and brighter. The last and final step of cleaning the windows will be cleaning the foot or the baseboard of the window, what I like to call it. I'm using this all-purpose cleaner in a microfiber towel and just scrubbing the foot of the window. Dust, dirt, and sometimes bugs can just build up in this area, so every now and then it's great to just give it a good wipe down. We always clean the top of the table, but the bottom of the table gets no love, especially if you have a pedestal table like this one. This is in our dining room. For the past 2-3 months, we have been using our dining room table, but this area is a great area that I tend to forget to clean. I'm pretty good with wiping down electronics, but for those that might forget, this area needs a good cleaning as well. I'm just using these Lysol wipes and wiping down the keyboards, the mouse, as well as the screen. Any electronics that you use on a daily basis needs to be cleaned and sanitized. Okay guys, so the last dusting tip that I have for you is to dust anything that's on your walls, such as picture frames and decor, as well as dusting your walls in general. You'll be surprised how much dust just piles up, especially in the corner of the walls. Definitely anything that's beside doors or even on top of your doors. This is just a living, breathing playground for dust to just live and build up on. These upcoming items I clean on a daily, but some might forget about these areas, and that's cleaning your doors, scrubbing your walls and your doorknobs, as well as your light switches. Since I have 2 little ones, these items always get dirty quickly and fast. I'm just using the Magic Eraser by Mr. Clean. I love these erasers. They clean anything on your walls as well as your light switches. All you have to do is add water to them. They clean dirt, handprints, even scuffs on your walls. With cleaning these areas, you can tell a difference in the room appearance. It looks brighter, it looks cleaner, it looks neater. It looks as if you just painted your walls or your light switches, but all you did was just give it a good scrub down. And sometimes, guys, that's all it takes is a good scrubber or an all-purpose spray and a towel. So this is the last and final cleaning tip that I have for you guys. We started at the top and now we have made our way down to the bottom. I know for a fact that I do not think about cleaning this area. It doesn't cross my mind and it doesn't get any attention. But when it is clean, it makes a huge difference in the room, and that is cleaning your baseboard. If it is extremely dirty, it's best to use an all-purpose spray or a magic eraser. I actually have a tool that is used to clean your baseboard, and it's called the Baseboard Buddy. This has just been sitting in my closet, and even though I have this, I still do not clean my baseboard as often as I should. All you have to do is put the pad on the Baseboard Buddy's head and spray the pad with any of your favorite all-purpose spray and scrub the baseboard. This tool is simple, easy, and you don't have to worry about putting any strain on your back or your knees. You can stand up doing this, and you can also use this to clean the molding on the top of your ceilings as well. hope these cleaning tips were helpful and that you are able to use them in your cleaning routine. If you like this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up and leaving me a comment down below in the comment section. All of the products that I used will be listed down below in the description box. Thank you for watching this video and the love and support of my channel. You guys, I'm so excited for this channel this year. I have so many great upcoming ideas and videos already in the works, but make sure that you are subscribed to my channel to see more videos like this and my future videos. Thank you again, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.